Welcome back, but before we get into the video, make sure you like and subscribe and help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can start doing giveaways for y'all. Now let's get into the video. The first virtual reality headset was made by Ivan Sutherland in 1968. He nicknamed it the Swords of Damocles. Damocles is a Greek moral. Virtual reality has grown a lot since then. Virtual reality is a simulated experience. A computer generates a virtual simulation, which is 3D. Virtual reality uses multiple sensors to gauge where the player is in the game in real time. PS4 created their own virtual reality headset called PlayStation VR for the console. Virtual reality is used for many things like surgery, entertainment, sports, military, art, and education. Virtual reality is usually used for games like Super Hot VR because VR is fun when you put on the headset and forget about everything. VR is making rapid strides, so don't be surprised if it evolves in a couple months or years. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.